Very healthy and delicious salad. Please try this salad in every meal. Hope you would love this. Take 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, a half teaspoon black pepper powder, a half teaspoon mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, salt to taste. Mix well. Take a bowl. 1 cup boiled chickpeas, a half cup chopped cucumber, a half cup chopped tomato, 1 chopped medium-sized onion, 2 tablespoons finely chopped bell peppers, 2 tablespoons chopped red bell pepper, 2 tablespoons grated carrots, 2 tablespoons finely chopped spinach, 2 tablespoons coriander leaves. Add the salad dressings into the mixture. Mix well. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon roasted sesame seeds. Very healthy and tasty salad ready to serve. Please feel free to subscribe my channel.